Welcome back to the Inside Human, the place where we explore the amazing systems working silently inside your body. Today, we're going to take a journey into one of the most essential processes that keeps you alive every single day, the digestive system. Every bite of food you take sets off a chain of events more complex and fascinating than you might ever imagine. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand how your body processes food, but you'll also gain a newfound respect for the incredible machinery inside you. Let's start at the very beginning. Imagine you pick up a piece of bread or your favorite meal. The moment it enters your mouth, digestion begins. You might think chewing is just about breaking food into smaller pieces, but there's much more happening beneath the surface. Your teeth work together to tear, crush, and grind the food. Meanwhile, your tongue moves it around, mixing it with saliva. Saliva is more than just moisture. It contains enzymes called amylases, which begin the process of breaking down carbohydrates into simpler sugars. Even before you swallow, your body is already starting the work of turning your food into energy. Once your food is sufficiently chewed, it travels down the esophagus. You might be surprised to learn that food doesn't simply drop into your stomach. Instead, a series of coordinated muscle contractions, called peristalsis, pushes the food downward. These rhythmic waves ensure that even if you are upside down or moving, food will make its way safely to your stomach. Now, the stomach is where things get intense. This muscular organ is capable of expanding to hold several liters of food, yet its interior is incredibly acidic, capable of breaking down almost anything. The stomach secretes hydrochloric acid and digestive enzymes, which together break down proteins and kill harmful bacteria that might have entered with your meal. As the stomach churns, it transforms the food into a semi-liquid mixture called chyme. This is where your meal begins to take on a completely new form, one that your body can start to extract energy and nutrients from. Next, the chyme moves into the small intestine, the longest part of the digestive tract, where most of the magic happens. The small intestine isn't just a simple tube. It is a highly specialized organ designed for maximum absorption. Its walls are lined with tiny, finger-like projections called villi, each covered in even smaller structures called microvilli. These vastly increase the surface area, allowing nutrients to be absorbed efficiently into the bloodstream. As the chyme passes through the small intestine, other organs contribute to the process. The pancreas releases enzymes that help break down proteins, carbohydrates, and fats into molecules small enough to be absorbed. The liver produces bile, which is stored in the gallbladder and then released into the small intestine to emulsify fats, making them easier to digest. Every organ, every enzyme, and every chemical in this process works in perfect harmony, ensuring that your body gets exactly what it needs from every meal. By the time the chyme reaches the large intestine, most nutrients have already been absorbed. The large intestine's main job is to absorb water and electrolytes, transforming the remaining material from liquid into a more solid form. But it also plays another critical role. This is where your gut microbiome comes in, a complex community of bacteria that help break down what your body cannot digest on its own, producing important vitamins like vitamin K and certain B vitamins. These bacteria are essential for your overall health and play a major role in your immune system. Finally, the waste material, now mostly indigestible fiber and water, is prepared to leave the body. The rectum stores this waste until it is expelled through the anus in a process we call defecation. It might seem like a simple ending, but every step leading up to it involves countless precise actions and chemical reactions. The digestive system is not just a food processor. It is a sophisticated network of organs working together to sustain life. Every bite you take is transformed through a process so intricate that even the smallest error can affect your health. This system not only provides energy, but also supports your immune system, influences your mood, and even impacts your overall health in ways that science is still uncovering. It's important to understand that digestion doesn't happen instantly. It can take hours for food to move from your mouth to your stomach, and even longer to travel through your small and large intestines. The process is dynamic, influenced by what you eat, how much you exercise, your stress levels, and even your gut microbiome. Foods rich in fiber, for example, move through the digestive system more efficiently and feed the good bacteria in your gut, while highly processed foods can slow the process and create imbalance. One of the most fascinating aspects of the digestive system is its ability to work automatically. You don't have to think about chewing, swallowing, or absorbing nutrients. Your body does all of this seamlessly. It is a reminder of how remarkable our bodies truly are. And yet, despite all this automatic work, we can influence the process positively by choosing nutritious foods, staying hydrated, exercising, and managing stress. Another incredible fact is that the digestive system is closely linked to other systems in the body. The nervous system communicates with the gut through the enteric nervous system, sometimes called the second brain, which regulates digestion and even affects your mood. Hormones released during digestion signal to your brain when you're hungry or full, helping maintain balance. This is why understanding your digestive system is not just about knowing how food is processed. It's about understanding your body, your health, and your well-being. From the moment food enters your mouth to the time waste is expelled, every stage of digestion is a testament to the complexity and efficiency of the human body. This system allows you to extract energy, grow, heal, and perform every function that keeps you alive. Next time you take a bite of food, remember that an entire invisible orchestra begins to play inside you, with each organ, each enzyme, and each tiny cell performing its role to perfection. The digestive system is a true marvel of nature. It works quietly, tirelessly, and efficiently, often unnoticed. Yet without it, life would be impossible. It's a reminder of how extraordinary the human body is and how much we rely on processes we rarely think about. Whether it's your stomach churning, your intestines absorbing nutrients, or your gut bacteria producing vital compounds, every step is part of a perfectly synchronized system designed to sustain life. Understanding your digestive system is empowering. It allows you to make informed choices about what you eat, how you care for your body, and how you maintain health. It also inspires awe, because inside each of us is a system so complex, so efficient, and so essential that it can turn a simple sandwich into the fuel for every thought, movement, and heartbeat. So, the next time you eat, pause for a moment and appreciate the journey your food will take. Appreciate the organs working behind the scenes, the enzymes breaking down molecules, the villi absorbing nutrients, and the bacteria keeping everything in balance. Your body is performing one of the most incredible feats in nature, every single day without you even noticing. And remember, knowledge is power. By understanding how your digestive system works, you can make choices that improve your health, boost your energy, and enhance your life. You are not just a passive recipient of food. You are an active participant in a process that fuels your entire existence. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey through the digestive system. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the human body, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to The Inside Human. There's always more happening inside you than you ever imagined, and we'll be here to explore it all with you. Stay curious, stay healthy, and never stop marveling at the incredible machine that is your body.